guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to start doing on this channel experiments. We're going to make slime. And we're going to talk about Jake Paul. We're going to draw. We're going to do mostly everything. But I don't think we're going to do too many pranks. Today we are going to be experimenting slime and water. So here's our slime. Sorry for the noise that's about to happen. I have to go get the water, so you'll see a little bit of my house. I had to clean today. Don't look too much at my closet. I didn't clean it. Here's my bed. Here we go. It's gonna be loud. Okay, so far I don't have good vlogging. Really loud in here. But let's just get the water and go. I'm not good at vlogging. Shut up, toilet. Toilet's loud. But I'm gonna set y'all right here. And we're just gonna fill this empty container I have with the water. Then I'm going to show you guys. There it is. It's bubbling because I left some Tide in there. My hair looks really bad. Oh, and if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe, please. I'm trying to gain money so I can do new experiments for you guys. My birthday is in 6 months, so happy birthday to me, but it's not my birthday yet, so can't say that. But here's the water. I have this huge knot in my hair. Here, let me show you the struggle of getting a knot out of your hair. In case you're a guy. You don't have knotted hair unless you have long hair. I like your style. That was only a little knot, so that wasn't a big problem. So let's go. Here's our stuff. And we're about to do this. I'm going to set that right there. Give it a good angle. Don't think y'all have too good of an angle. Keeps turning on me. Let me see if y'all can see. Y'all can mostly see. Let me see if that's better. Yeah, that's better. Okay. We're gonna take the slime. There's my little sister. She's crying because she's upset. Get out, I'm filming a video. Okay, she's on only for a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and get some slime. We'll show y'all. Here, it's a really good slime. It's mostly a butter slime. It has like a few foam beads in it. Glittery. It's white glue and clear, but here we go. Okay, we're just gonna like stretch it down. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get it. Nothing really happens. It just gets watery. Oh, now it's getting sticky and watery. Oh, I'm sorry for that little beat, Mama. My phone just got texted. So, nothing really happened. It just got sticky. Like watery and then sticky. It's a little less stretchy, but so that includes our video, and that's what happens when you put that slime I had in water. Because last time I put slime in water, it became really droopy and watery. I had to throw it away, but I didn't film that, so. But this slime is mostly the same. I only took a little piece of this big slime because I didn't want to waste it all. And if it went bad, I didn't want to take all of my slime. So I think now I'm just going to put it back in here. Close up. Hey, guys, I know what I should do. I'm going to poke that down, but put it in front of you. Then I'm going to take it off. Just play with it. Let me put it back in there. So, now I know what happens when I put my slime in water. So that'll conclude my video, and I'm going to do this in the mirror. Yeah, I have a dirty mirror. Please don't complain about that, but goodbye, guys.